Welcome to 11574 River Heights Drive in the city of Riverside. It's near the Riverwalk in a neighborhood we call Coronado that's soon to be gated. You'll be greeted by this gorgeous entryway that leads to your spacious, open, light, and bright floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a loft that could be converted back to a 4th bedroom if needed. Now we'll be mixing in some high-definition photography from the great Jerry Miller of Pro Preview. Take a look at your great room here. Notice the stunning upgraded kitchen. Wow, the rich wood cabinetry, the granite countertops, the nice breakfast bar there, and a nice dining room. This elegance puts the great in great room. Indeed, it really does. Let's take a closer look at that kitchen and the wood cabinetry, along with the farmer's sink there, stainless appliances. One of the many features of this home is a large, low-maintenance backyard. You've got a fenced garden area there, or maybe a run for your beloved pooch, an extra large storage shed, room for the barbecue, all covered by that new Alumawood patio cover. Very nice. Another quick look at the entertainer's delight. Just look at that spacious TV room. Back inside we go. We'll take a look at the guest bathroom here, and the convenience of the indoor downstairs laundry as well. That door leads out to your oversized 2-car garage. We'll head on upstairs. A first look will be of the loft. Could be a media room, an office, or a den, or you could convert that back into a 4th bedroom if needed. Here is your palatial primary bedroom. Plenty of natural light and brightness. The high-definition photography really shows it off. Wow! Let's take a look at that master bathroom. Walk-in closets in every bedroom, by the way. But notice the vanity lighting, the dual sinks, the upgraded fixtures. Well done. We'll wrap it up with a look at the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. Both are very large. Of course, the walk-in closets. Notice all the natural light as well. Just a well-designed home. We're going to finish up with one more angle of that great room, and then we'll send you outside to take a look at some of the amenities and the lush grounds with great landscaping. Thanks for watching.